In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft PowerPoint in USB 2025. Step by step, start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to copy to your USB drive. Make sure your USB stick is plugged into your computer so it has time to show up in File Explorer. If you're working from a cloud location like OneDrive, that's perfectly fine. Saving a copy to your USB won't change your original file. With your presentation open, go to the top left corner of PowerPoint and select File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the saving and exporting options live. From here, choose Save a Copy. This is the safest option because it creates a separate version on your USB without altering the one you're already working on. It's especially helpful if you want a portable backup or a version to share. Next, click Browse. This opens the standard file picker window, where you can choose exactly where to put your copy. Take a moment to let your system detect the USB drive, especially if you just plugged it in. It might take a second or two to appear. Now look for your USB drive in the left panel or under this PC. It might be labeled USB drive, removable disk, or show a brand name, usually with a drive letter like E or F. If you see two entries that look like they have the same name, don't worry. That can happen when the drive shows up in multiple places, such as in Quick Access and under this PC. Either entry will take you to the same device, so go ahead and choose one. Once you're inside the USB drive, pick the folder where you want the presentation to go, or stay at the root of the drive if that's simpler. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. PowerPoint will default to the .pptx format, which is ideal for editing and presenting. If you already have a file with the same name on the USB, you'll be asked whether to replace it or rename this new copy. Choose what works best for you. Finally, click Save. Wait a moment while PowerPoint writes the file to the USB. Larger presentations with images, videos, or embedded media may take a little longer, so avoid removing the drive until the save finishes. If you want extra peace of mind, you can open the USB in File Explorer and confirm the new file is there. That's it. You've saved your PowerPoint to a USB and you're ready to present anywhere.